Mpow M9 true wireless earbuds. Let's open the box and check it out. User manual. We got Mpow membership benefit, 2-year additional warranty if you activate within 15 days. Instruction card. The 2 additional pair of ear tips. The charging cable. USB Type-C charging cable. And here we have the charging case. The charging case have a matte finish with the Mpow logo on top of the lid. It's not that small, but will fit in the pocket okay. Won't be too bulky. In the back of the case, the USB Type-C charging port. In the front, the 4 LED light battery indicator. When you open the lid, inside you have a left and a right indicator, so you know where to place your earbuds. I really like the design of the earbuds. It fits into my ear very comfortably and tight. The way the earbuds design, it fits into your ear canal really tight. So I never once have this fallen off my ear while I'm jogging or on a hike. The earbuds are built with Bluetooth 5.0. They are IPX7 waterproof, sweat and rain resistant. You get 5 hours of talk time, an additional 25 hours with the charging case, a total of 30 hours. They are touch control. The touch control is very sensitive. You tap left or right to place a pause, and you tap twice on the left earbuds to go back a track, tap twice on the right earbuds to skip a track. You tap and press the left earbuds to volume down, tap and press on the right earbuds to volume up, and you tap 3 times on either earbuds to activate the voice assistant. The earbuds does have mono mode. You could use them separately, independently. Once you remove either the left or the right earbuds, it will auto connect to your Bluetooth device. Once you put it back in the case, it will self disconnect. The earbuds doesn't have any type of noise cancellation, but the way it's designed, it fits your ear canal tight, so it can block out a lot of noises surround you. The sound quality is crystal clear. The bass is very punchy, especially when you listen to the music at low volume. The bass and the mids and the high is unbalanced, but when you pump up the volume, you listen to the music louder, it will balance out at the higher volume. The Mpow M9 packed with features: Bluetooth 5.0, IPX7 waterproof, total of 30 hours of talk time, mono mode, you can use the earbuds independently, auto connect, disconnect, Punchy Bass. It's another awesome true wireless earbuds from Mpow. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, any comment, drop in the comment section down below. To help the channel out, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.